The ATP Digital Torque Multiplier is an ergonomic, easy-to-use tool designed to make light work of high-torque applications. Its accuracy and dependability are second to none in the torque industry. Advanced Torque Products uses precision mechanics and technology across their line of torque products, and the ATP Digital Torque Multiplier is a sodding example to that ingenuity. There are three fundamental components to the ATP Digital Torque Multiplier: the anti-rotation cover, the multiplier, and the aluminum housing where the electronics are stored. The anti-rotation cover uses an anti-rotation gear and engageable pawl to hold loads in place and switch directions as needed. The multiplier uses stacked planetary gears, which makes easy turning on the input reduce itself to create high torque on the output. The housing, or the hub, stores the unit's electronics. Surrounded by aluminum, all the intelligence for the system are safely stored away from RF and/or physical damage. Although the technology used in ATP multipliers can be complex, use of these tools are easy and straightforward. A typical advanced torque product kit will contain a speed knob, some kind of output, most likely drive bar or socket, an input ratchet, a torque multiplier, and a digital display with cable and charger. To use an ATP multiplier, you will need something to react off of. The reaction can be built into the application, or like in this case, a removable reaction stand can be used. Whether it's coming from the hub itself or from a custom adapter plate, ATP multipliers all have two dowel pins to react on. The dowel pins are located on the bottom of the multiplier assembly. Depending on the type of multiplier, the output drive may or may not be removable. If the output drive is removable, be sure the end with the ball T-tent is fully engaged in the bottom of the multiplier before continuing. Now let's take some time to go over the features and capabilities of the digital display. The Units button allows you to toggle through the different units of measure used for torquing. Foot-pounds and inch-pounds are most common, but other scales such as Newton meters and custom units can be programmed if desired. The Track Peak Angle button allows you to toggle through the different modes of measurement. Track mode displays the real-time torque and is best used for validating calibration and releasing force. Peak mode captures the highest torque achieved. The value will remain displayed until either a higher torque is reached or the display is reset by pressing the 0 button. Angle mode simultaneously displays the torque and angle of turn in degrees and minutes. This feature is found in ATP multipliers equipped with an angle encoder. This mode is used during applications that require both torque and angle specifications. The 0 button zeroes the display and should be pressed before torquing any application. The next four buttons are all related to the multiplier's alarm feature. The first two adjust the alarm up and down. The fourth button, if held down, allows you to adjust the alarm in finer increments. The third turns the alarm on and off. Next we have the print button, which can send information from the display to a computer. And finally, the power button, which turns the display on and off. Now let's show you how it works. The multiplier is controlled by the anti-rotation cover. To torque, engage the pawl in either the clockwise or counterclockwise direction and begin turning the speed knob or ratchet in the same way. The speed knob makes for easy turning during run-on and low forces, but as the forces become greater, a ratchet is then needed. When switching over to the ratchet, be sure the ratchet's engaged in the same direction as your multiplier, in this case, the clockwise direction. Once target torque is achieved, you'll want to remove the multiplier from the application. To do this, apply a small amount of pressure in the direction you were torquing. This will allow you to disengage your pawl and put it in the neutral position. Carefully release the force from the multiplier. Now you will be able to remove the multiplier and its fixturing from the application. Advanced Torque Products digital multipliers are easy to use, light in weight, and make high torque applications quick and easy to accomplish.